Hi everybody, it's Mr. Zayani here again, and it was just a fun video that I thought I would do because I was up one morning about 4:30, didn't know what to do. So I thought it'd be a good idea to make breakfast for the family. When they get up, we'll be ready. So I decided to make some sort of like an egg paratha for breakfast. So as you can see, now I'm holding the camera with one hand, the phone camera, and trying to make my dough or pour the water, everything in there. And it's a fun video. Usually I would worry about where the camera angle, where the light is, how much shadow, things like that. So yeah, as I said, it's just fun stuff. So as you make the dough, put some water in, mix it, put some more water in again, and then until you get the right consistency you're looking for. So this recipe idea I've got from my recent visit to India, where we were on the road quite often. We would go to a hotel late at night, get up really early in the morning, and we'd leave the hotel because we got 2, 3, or even 5 hours drive ahead of us. So and we'd try and get some breakfast on the road. And this was sort of like one of the staple type of breakfast that I've noticed that people have in India, where they're like parathas and with yogurt with cumin. So I thought, yeah, why not do that here? It's a nice filling breakfast. It could be a little bit healthy. It's got a little bit of vegetables, protein with the eggs and all that. So I thought, yes, give it a go. So as you can see, it's just sort of like a nice and easy breakfast to make. Hope you try it. And if you do, let me know how you get on. And please, if you like my videos, like what I'm doing, please, press that like button, and even it would be really appreciated if you go ahead and press that subscribe button. Especially, as YouTube got this new policy of like 1,000 less subscribers to channels there. It's like demonetizing them. So it's obviously something that I do. I don't do it religiously, well, compared to some people, but I still like to go ahead and keep on making videos, especially when I got time. Unfortunately, life is busy, and finding the time is not easy. So yes, I'll make some more videos in the future. And as I said, please, give it a go yourself. And if you like it, let me know. And even better, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. So once again, thanks for watching, and please look out for our blog video, which is under Accounts of London. So that's more of a family life, what we do, what we get up to. And recently we went to India, so there'll be a lot more on our India trip, what we did. And it's it'll be really nice of you to join me there as well. So we'll leave a card or something at the end of the video, and then find the button and press the subscribe button. And thanks for watching once again. Ta-da, bye for now.